When you evaluate a limit, we get to, because of previously proven work, we get to evaluate the limit of composite functions. So it means you can think about the limit as x goes to pi over 4 for this inner part of cotangent. And then you can do the same thing for sine. Then you can evaluate the limit as x goes to pi over 4 for 4x over 3. And then it's plus pi over 3 out here at the end. Let's see if I get all my parentheses. Open, open, close, open, close, open, close, close. Okay. So in shorter words, that means that you can just plug pi over 4 in for each of these x's and evaluate. So we have cotangent. If you plug in pi over 4, this is another way of writing this is 2 square roots of 3 times pi over 4. And since we're dividing by pi, I'm going to help myself out and rewrite that as multiplying by 1 over pi. Same thing. That lets me see that the pi's are going to cancel. And then this is minus sine. I'm going to do the same thing over here. This is 4/3. I'm just going to rewrite it as pi over 4. That's what we're plugging in for pi. Plus pi over 3 inside. Oh no, I don't have this right. This is, yeah, no I do. Okay. This is cotangent of all of this. Okay. Tough with all those parentheses. So we got to simplify some. We got pi's cancel out. The 2 and the 4 can simplify. So this is square root of 3 over 2 minus. Now this is the 4's cancel out. So this is sine pi over 3. That's one of those trig values that teachers usually make you calculate. Pi over 3, make you memorize, I should say. Pi over 3 is 60 degrees. And so if you draw a reference angle, the opposite of 60 is square root of 3 over 2. And we usually draw the reference angle inside a unit circle. So the hypotenuse is 1. So sine is the opposite, divide by the hypotenuse. In short, sine pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2. Okay, well, they set this problem up perfectly so that the square root of 3 over 2 minus square root of 3 over 2 is gone. So now all we have to evaluate is cotangent pi over 3. And here, let's rewrite that. Cotangent pi over 3, I'll put that up top. To finish this question, we just need to know what cotangent pi over 3 is. That's what we got after we simplify. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So if tangent sine over cosine, that means cotangent is cosine over sine. And we just got sine pi over 3, right? It's a 60-degree reference angle, so that means square root of 3 over 2. And you can do the same type of logic for cosine. You'll get 1/2, because 60 degrees is our reference angle. And if we're drawing in the unit circle, the hypotenuse is 1, so that means 1/2 is going to be the adjacent side. So adjacent divided by hypotenuse. I'm going over that real fast. You'll definitely want to look up exact answers for trig functions and look up, like, there's different ways of doing it. Some people just make you memorize. Some people use this for a reference triangle. Whatever way works best for you. Those are just known values. But we got 1/2 divide by square root of 3 over 2. So let's flip and multiply. Flip and multiply the second fraction. The 2's cross cancel. And if we want to rationalize the denominator, you can multiply the top and the bottom by square root of 3. So there's our rationalized denominator answer, square root of 3 over 3.